Ever felt completely overwhelmed by the sheer number of yoga apps and online studios promising the perfect flow, the ultimate downward-facing dog, and inner peace to boot? You're not alone. The yoga industry has boomed in recent years, with a growing focus on specific styles and trendy workouts. But amidst this whirlwind of sun salutations and warrior poses, a question arises. What about the core of yoga itself? Is asana, the physical practice of yoga postures, still relevant in this ever-evolving world of wellness? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Asana is undeniably a foundational aspect of yoga, with its roots stretching back thousands of years. Ancient yogis believed these postures not only strengthened and toned the body, but also prepared it for meditation, the true heart of yoga. So why the debate? There are a few reasons why asana might seem outdated to some. Firstly, the emphasis on achieving the perfect pose can be intimidating and discouraging, particularly for beginners. Social media feeds overflow with yogis contorting themselves into seemingly impossible positions, creating an unrealistic standard that can push people away from the practice altogether. Secondly, the focus on the physical can overshadow the other important aspects of yoga. Yoga is a holistic practice encompassing the mind, body, and spirit. While asana plays a role, it's just one piece of the puzzle. There's pranayama, breathwork, meditation, and the yamas and niyamas, ethical guidelines, that contribute to a well-rounded yogic life. However, dismissing asana entirely would be a mistake. Here's why. Building a strong foundation. Asana strengthens and tones the body, improving flexibility, balance, and posture. These benefits translate off the mat, enhancing our daily lives and reducing the risk of injuries. Mind-body connection. When approached mindfully, asana can be a powerful tool for cultivating awareness. Focusing on the breath and the sensations in the body creates a sense of presence and reduces stress. Meditation prep. Asana prepares the body for meditation by creating a sense of stillness and stability. A toned and flexible body allows us to sit comfortably for extended periods, facilitating a deeper meditative experience. The key is to approach asana with the right perspective. Here are some tips. Focus on alignment, not perfection. Let go of the need to achieve the perfect pose. Focus on proper alignment and listen to your body. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Embrace modifications. Don't be afraid to modify poses to suit your limitations. There are countless variations for every asana, making yoga accessible to everyone, regardless of age, fitness level, or physical limitations. Find a gentle flow. Instead of pushing yourself to your limits in a vigorous vinyas class, consider a more gentle practice like yin yoga or restorative yoga. These styles allow you to hold poses for longer periods, facilitating a deeper connection with your body and promoting relaxation. Ultimately, whether or not asana remains relevant depends on your individual goals. If you're seeking a quick and trendy workout, there might be other options that suit you better. However, if you're interested in a holistic practice that benefits your physical and mental well-being, asana still holds immense value. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, explore different asanas, and find what works best for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,